8.7, the pizza spot. This is horrible. This is a 9.2. Friendlier. There's no flavor whatsoever. That's how it's done. Okay, folks, we are here at yet another pizza review. That's right. I keep them coming day after day. I deserve your like. I deserve your subscription. Please hit that like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to remind you each and every time I have a new video coming out. Right now, we are at a place called Leo's Pizza. The guy owns it for 2 years. His cousin owned it 2 years prior to that, so it's 4 years. He's originally from Florida. Nice guy. Very reluctant to talk about the products that he's using. I understand that, proprietary secrets. I realize that, although a lot more goes into it than the brand of the sauce or the flour that you use to make the dough. Those are the secrets. The basic ingredients shouldn't be secretive, but I understand and I respect that. Nice guy inside. They are located, it's called Leo's Pizza. They're located at 4065 North Haverhill Road in the Publix Plaza in West Palm Beach, Florida. Let's take a look at their slice. Now, you guys always say, Frank, that's a lot of basil. I love basil on my pizza. It accentuates it. It really enhances it. Let's look at the bottom. Nicely well done. No raw spots. Let's see if it breaks when I fold it. It does. That's exactly what I'm looking for. No grease at all. Zero flop. Here we go. They're using a blend of cheeses. You could tell that right off the bat. The cheese is not the grande, it's not the top of the line, it's not an F&A, it's a blend. The crust, or crosta as we call it, is crunchy. I like that. One more bite. Balance between the sauce and cheese is good. Okay. Not bad at all. Something I'd write home about? No, not necessarily. Would I drive more than 10 minutes to get here? No, not necessarily. It's okay. It's a good pizza. It's not bad. I'm going to give Leo's a 7-1. That's a real pizza review by a real Italian. 7-1. Leo, stay tuned for our meatball review. We're going to come back here and do a meatball review shortly.